How's it going? I'm next to my Sportster 883. It's a 2005, and this oil cap is extremely hard to take off normally. I think the trouble is the gasket that comes on it is a little bit too wide, and I actually took the gasket off, or not the gasket, the O-ring, to find a thinner O-ring to put on. So you saw how easy this was to come out. That's how it should be. But with the original O-ring, it's extremely difficult. So I'm going to put on the new O-ring. So some message boards that I've seen says to replace the stock oil plug with a oil cap that has the temperature gauge in it, and that'll fix it. So I actually did that. I bought the cap with the temperature gauge in it, and it had a red O-ring as opposed to that black one. But the spring mechanism that would hold it down didn't work, so I sent that one back. But when I had it, I noticed it had a smaller O-ring in it, so I thought, well, I'm just going to get a smaller O-ring for my cap. So here's the original that I had, and you can see this O-ring was quite big. So what I did, I went and got a thinner one, a little bit thinner. Hopefully I won't get some blowout of the oil. I don't think I will, but I'm going to put this thinner one in and see if it still works. Here's the moment of truth. My hands are actually oily, so I'm gonna, look at that. Piece of cake. Hopefully that O-ring has a seal. I think it'll work. Well, there you have it. My recommendation is to get a O-ring. Actually take the O-ring off your stock plug and find one that's a little bit thinner, and give that a shot. I'll try to post on my comments if I have any leakage as a result of having a thinner O-ring, but I don't think I will.